I wanted to create a 3D computer-aided design for a product so that I could have it manufactured. In order to do this, I needed to design a prototype in CAD and then 3D print it, to validate the design, so as to test the parts, form, fit, and function. 3D printing is an excellent process for prototyping products that are manufactured in plastic such as ABS, or other plastic materials that are injected molded. This product, a collapsible container, offers a unique challenge because of two important factors. 1. The molded part must be able to collapse into a flat form factor, due to its intended design. 2. The material, usually silicon or urethane, must be flexible and durable, to allow it to collapse and then expand again. Now the question is, can I find a suitable material that will mimic silicon and work in the similar way to prove out this design? I discovered that TPU is a very good material for this 3D print application. As it turns out, TPU, or thermoplastic polyurethane, is an excellent choice. It is flexible and durable, like silicon, but it also 3D prints very well. Another very important challenge is to design the part to allow the container to collapse, in the same way that collapsible silicon products do today. Starting with the part design, I learned through trial and error, an important fact about this shape that allows it to perform in the way that it does. The wall profile is key. To be specific, the outer wall profile is different than the inner wall profile. At least this is true for this type of collapsible container product. I did not learn this until I cut an existing silicon part in half, and examined the wall profile. After a few design iterations, I was able to successfully 3D print a collapsible container that very closely compares to a production silicon part. I hope that you find this tip helpful and you learn something new about design for prototyping. Good luck!